Hello, welcome back to today's video. I am Ellie Brown from Uptown with Ellie Brown, and I'm excited to have you here today. Today is hair washing day. My hair needs to be washed so bad. It is very oily and dirty and nasty. I wash my hair twice a week. I try to go a little bit longer. I used to wash it every other day, which I've slowly, I don't want to say trained my hair. I don't know if that's such a thing that you can actually train your hair. You know, I think the oils that your scalp naturally produces is good for your hair. Too much dry shampoo is bad for your hair as well. I try to avoid dried shampoo, too much dry shampoo at all costs, just because it's a lot of buildup in your scalp. But anyways, today's hair washing day, so I wanted to just kind of take you the process through the products that I'm using, I've been using, and at the end of how I actually style my hair. So one thing is, depending on how much heat I have used and how much, product and everything that I've done on my hair, if I've done a lot on my hair that week, I will use a treatment before washing my hair every other week at least. Again, if I've used a lot of heat, I will do it every week. Just kind of depends. It's an ebb and flow type of thing. But I like to use this Cure Liqueur. This is a restorative pre-shampoo treatment oil by Drybar. It looks like this. You apply this on your dry hair, apply it pretty well, distribute it all over, and you leave it on for 10 minutes. And it's a super concentrated treatment oil that mends split ends and instantly seals the cuticle from the inside out. Also long lasting if you color your hair, leaves your hair soft, smooth, shiny. It lasts up to 4 washes, which is pretty cool. Something that I do when I wash my hair, I always, brush my hair before going into the shower. So I'm gonna brush my hair and I'm gonna apply this oil here. Going into the shower with your hair all matted and entangled, and then you're washing it just makes it even worse. So that's something I do. My hair is all brushed out, and what I will do is just you can suction your hair if you want. And I'm just gonna kind of work through it. Now I do like to concentrate this on my ends, but I still do like to kind of work it into my roots and just make sure it's just spread out all evenly. And now I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes, and while this sits in my hair for 10 minutes, I'm gonna do my dry brushing. So I'll come back after I wash my hair, and then I'm gonna wash it also with the Cure Liqueur shampoo and conditioner. Both strengthening shampoo and conditioners helps restore the damage, leaving your hair stronger, healthier, shinier, smoother. Also great for all hair types on both the shampoo and conditioner and even the oil, but it's a good little trio to have. Again, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. I'll wash with the shampoo and conditioner, we'll come back. Okay, I have washed my hair. I don't like to blow dry and apply heat to my hair right off the bat. I use a hair specific towel as well. This is a towel that is meant for your hair that will help reduce frizz. It's important to use an actual towel for your hair like this versus a regular towel, just because this is meant for your hair. So it's gonna cause less breakage, less damage, less friction and frizz for your hair. So if you don't have a hair towel like this, a microfiber hair towel, get one. It's really important. So I'm gonna sit with the towel like this. I'll apply, a hair mask, do my makeup for probably about 20-30 minutes-ish, and then I will dry my hair, and then I'll show you the finished result with what everything looks like with my hair styled. Okay, I took a glorious little nap while I did my face mask. It's been about an hour, and my hair is, some parts of my hair are actually dry, but it's about maybe 50% wet, 50% dry. So now we're gonna style it. Okay, it's very important to note that I did not apply anything on my hair as I was letting it air dry. I washed it and let it sit in the towel, and then went straight to drying it. And can you see this shine? Oh my gosh, what? Yes, Okay, so now for curling. My curler is set to 370. This is the 1 inch. This is the Drybar's curler. It's got the clamp here, and I love how this over here spins, and you can turn it. But don't forget your heat protectant. When you're using a curler or applying any heat to your hair, you have got to add a heat protectant. So just gonna apply it a little bit all over, and then I'm going to section off my hair and work in sections. Okay, I started curling, but I wanted to show you what the curls actually look like. So they're supposed to be little tiny ringlets of your, curls, and you're going to, as you're curling it, you're going to let it just sit like this as you curl all the way around, and you'll brush it out. And when you brush it out is what it actually makes it look very beachy like and very soft. So the technique for this is I like to get about 1 inch thick. I'm gonna always curling away from my face, and I'm gonna start at the top. And again, I love how I can automatically turn this. So I bring the hair around here and then release and then curl. Release and curl. And then you do that all the way, and you see how it looks like that. Release. You can get a little messy at times. It's okay. It comes out looking fine. And then on this side. So curl, release, curl, release, all the way down. Little tiny ringlets. So we're gonna do the last 2 pieces here. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for just a little bit longer, and you can see how the whole hair looks. I hope I got everything in the back, fingers crossed. I'm gonna put some hairspray on here, and then I will brush it out and I will show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. Like, the shine on my hair is absolutely incredible. I can't believe how my hair looks this good without like really using a whole lot of products. I only use the shampoo, conditioner, the oil before washing, and then I use the Hottie Toddy protection spray. But my hair looks absolutely amazing. It does not feel weighed down. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels really, really nice and soft and manageable. I do want to read a little bit more off the website about the shampoo, conditioner, and the pre-shampoo oil, just to give you a little bit more info on what it is supposed to do. It's got the micropolymer adhesion complex that helps seal your hair cuticle, strengthening protein complex that increases your hair strength by 50% after 1 use. And the pre-shampoo oil specifically is supposed to help your color. So if you color your hair, it's supposed to give you that color protection as well. So, final thoughts is I really love this combo here. I think my hair, my hair looks incredible, looks amazing. It feels great. I was worried about the oil weighing down and kind of not washing off and weigh down my hair, but it did not weigh my hair down at all. So I really, really like this. I think this is great. If your hair is damaged, if you feel like your hair is dry and brittle, I think this would be a really good combo to have and to use. So yeah, those are just some of my final thoughts on the 3 Cure LaCour by Drybar. Thank you again for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna link all the 3 that I used here and the one that I used down below. If you have any questions, just comment down below, let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Like this video, thumbs up. I will see you here again real soon. Bye.